Hello! In this video I will show you how to enter recovery mode on OPPO F27. So you have to start by powering off your device. And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume down button at the same time. And when you see OPPO logo on your screen, you have to let go of power button. And now you have to press power button to select your language. And here you have to navigate using volume buttons and select using power button. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.